Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, and for this vlog, we're gonna do a 2020 glow up haul. So, I bought stuff from Lazada, Shopee, Watsons, NUskin. If you're interested kung ano ba pinagbibili-bili ko for the ultimate glow up, then just keep on watching. Before we start, I just want you to know na ilalagay ko lahat ng link ng lahat ng items na nasa video na to in the description box down below. To start, the very promoted product of Lazada, Garnier's new Vitamin C Whitening Serum. It comes in a 30 ml bottle, and if you're like me that went to Garnier's official store, you will see this picture. I bought the Light Complete Vitamin C Serum with the process. I got their brightening scrub, Light Complete brightening foam, Milky lightening dew toner, whitening serum cream, and the brightening eye roll-on. At dahil di pa ako kontento, gusto ko sulitin yung shipping, I also bought their black serum mask, pure charcoal. I'll be doing a more thorough review for this product after using it for after a week, so watch out for that. The one I'm holding right now is my favorite purchase so far. It's actually a For You dupe. If you don't know For You is a very trending facial cleanser. It ranges from 4,000 pesos or more. So if you're like me, nakuripot nga tulad ng sabi ko before, then this is for you because this only costed me around 500 pesos. It has wireless charging, the bristles are very soft also, and I love the color. Aside from that, it has an increase and decrease button. And then this is the charger, you just put it on top. There is wire included, but there's no adapter, so keep that in mind. To supplement a skincare routine, I've also bought a Jade Roller. I don't know if this is real jade because sobrang mura. But as long as malamig siya pag galing sa ref, I am happy. I also bought this silicone face mask brush. If you have Aztec or charcoal mask or whatever, this will just help apply it evenly. The next three items I bought is from Fresh. First one is this Jeju Aloe Ice Face and Body Cooling Mist with cooling effect. If you know me personally, I'm the type of person na maghihilamos every chance I get para lang mag-feeling fresh. So this is a very good alternative. The next two items is from the Sunglow collection of Ate Rhea May. I only bought the Satin Fix Mattifying Sunscreen Powder and the Sun Mist. They both have SPF 50. I really love these two products just because I am a makeup beginner. So this is very easy to apply, especially this one because it's just a translucent powder, which I love. Let's just appreciate the packaging. It's yellow, but it doesn't look childish. It still looks very classy. I'm also a fan of this because it has two bottle caps and the mist is so fine and it smells so good. Speaking of being a makeup beginner, I bought this 10-piece brush set to help me learn. I like how it's packaged. It's individually wrapped and the big brushes have guard net. And they come in this pink holographic pouch. So, aiming for that no makeup look. From the same store, I bought this contour highlight palette. I also love this eyelash curler. It's in the color rose gold and it's partnered with this mascara with a gold packaging. And because of the products I bought, I got two freebies, which I am so happy about. It is this brush. It is so soft. And then I also got this black beauty blender. The next store is from Loreal, which is this True Match in the shade G21, which I partnered with this concealer in the shade 2N Vanilla. Next is L'Oreal's Unbeliever Brow. It comes with this pulley and a small brush at the other side in the shade Warm Brown. Last from L'Oreal is a nude liquid lipstick in the shade I Embrace 124. I also bought these two pillowcases made of satin or silk because I found out that this type of cloth is more gentle for your face's skin. Enough for the face, let's go to the hair. So for the hair, I bought this Pantene 3-minute Total Damage Control Daily Serum Conditioner, which I partnered with this scalp massager just so I can thoroughly cleanse my scalp when I wash my hair. Next is a very big bottle of castor oil. Castor oil promotes the growth of hair. I use this kasi sobrang nipis ng buhok ko and also to promote the growth of eyebrows and eyelashes. If you know me, wala akong kilay before. Actually, wala pa din naman ngayon, pero nag-improve. While we're still talking about hair, I bought this too for a huge deal. It's buy one, take one. It's a hot air brush and the automatic hair curler. So I tried them both already. I do recommend them, but I will be using this more often just because I like adding more volume to my hair. And then this is an easy fix when you go to parties. It's very easy to use and everything. I also got this whitening toothpaste. A personal friend told me that it's very effective for him. So I thought, why not try it for myself? I bought it in a set of 3. Who doesn't want whiter teeth? These pretty little pink things might look familiar to you if you went to the spa and got the ear candle wax treatment. Those treatments cost about 150 to 200 pesos, but these are only 8 pesos per pair. Therefore, it's very cost effective to just do it at home. All you have to do is light it up at the very top and then wait for the fire to reach this line before you blow it out, and you're done. Lately, it's very trending face serums being used for the underarm, so I thought I'd give it a try. I bought these 2 face serums from Breylee, a soothing serum and a vitamin C serum. I also have in my hands are 3 pouches of Japan-made foot peel mask. You just basically wear them as a sock, and then after a few minutes, you remove them. Then after a week or so, they should be peeling off the dead skin like crazy. So our next item is this makeup organizer. I actually found this on Ate Ray Kermore's vlog. This is the rotating kind, but I chose the one in color black. Ta-da! It's a Neoprene sauna belly wrap something. You wrap it around your belly and it's supposed to give you that Coca-Cola curve if you use it consistently, which I do not. I also bought a yoga mat. Whatever exercise or program you got going on, this is a big help when it comes to your workouts. And then, I'm sure I'm not the only one that's been eating like crazy this quarantine. So I ordered a pair of jump ropes. You can see, this one is a metal type with the rubber lining. It's the fast kind for speed jumping. But since nagihiraman nga kami ng kapatid ko, instead of cutting it, tinatali niya. Which I don't mind. Kasi hindi ko naman masyado ginagamit. So, that's it for my very first vlog. I tried to include products for a glow up from head to toe. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And click the subscribe button while you're at it because I will appreciate seeing you on my next video. Bye!